Hi, in this tutorial we're going to talk about setting up your Canvas account. If you need any help whatsoever, please email me, arielgigustin@aquilainstitute.org. In this tutorial you will learn how to add your profile picture, how to set your notification preferences, how to view what's on your dashboard, and how to customize your dashboard. So let's get started. So here we are in my profile, and I got here by clicking on Account and then Profile. And wait a minute, this is not me, so I'd like to change my profile picture. So to do this, click on the small pencil, and then you're here in Upload a Picture. So once you're in here, go to Choose a Picture, and I've already created a folder for myself, which is in my desktop, and a folder called Photo. So now it's really easy for me to find. Canvas recommends small image sizes. 4 megabytes is a pretty small image size, and you can either upload a JPEG or a PNG file. So I'll click Open, I will center my photo, and click Save. After this, you want to make sure that your biography is also updated. So we just talked about adding your profile picture. I hope you've already done that. Now we're going to talk about setting your notification preferences. So I've just finished uploading my profile picture, and to really make sure those changes are saved, click Reload this page. And now I can see here and also my account picture that my photo has been updated. So now from here I'll click on Notifications, and directly at the top you can see the different types of notifications that you can get. You can either get notified right away, get sent a daily summary, get sent a weekly summary, or don't send you anything. So we recommend you have your Aquila email address as your first and primary email address, but you can also add another email address. And when you do this, this is going to be for all devices. For example, if you have Canvas on your laptop or a smartphone. So right here you can see the course activities, and if you take your mouse and hover over them, then you can see a small description about these different types of activities. For Aquila, we recommend to tell students to keep updates right away on due dates, grading policies, announcements, and grading. And then the rest is really your choice. So I recommend, as the instructor, read through all of this all the way down to the bottom and then select the different types of alerts that you'd like to get. All right, so we finished talking about notification preferences, and now we're going to talk about what's on your dashboard. So here I am in my dashboard, and I know this because I've clicked on dashboard, and your dashboard is only going to show you courses that you have starred, and we're going to talk about that later in the next segment about customizing your dashboard. On the right side, this is going to be really important for students. All of their assignments which have due dates are going to be over here in their to-do list. So students will see everything that they have to do, and then they'll see anything coming up for the next week. This will be specifically related to the calendar. For example, telling your students events that are happening at Aquila, that will show up here for them. You also could be giving students recent feedback on their assignments, and that will show up for students also. Then the next element for students will be to view grades. If students click on this, they'll be seeing their grades that are happening for them right in the current trimester that they're in. So one element that you should already know about is start a new course. If you click here, then you'll start a new course, which will be your Sandbox course. Inside this course, you can do anything that you'd like to practice an assignment, practice a quiz, or prepare something in advance before you put it in your real course. Do not add real students to this course who are actual Aquila students, but you can add instructors to this course if you want to practice. And then essentially that's the dashboard. You have a couple other options that you can view your dashboard in. We recommend card view. You could also do a list view. This will of course show you what's on your to-do list, or you could do it by recent activity, especially if there are announcements that are coming up here in your course, or maybe if someone's commenting on a discussion, that will show up here. And that's your dashboard. So I'm still in my dashboard, and oftentimes you'll have students who will come to you and let you know, I don't have this course, or I can't find this course, or I don't think I'm enrolled in this course. And that's because they're looking at only what's on their dashboard, and only if they've starred a course will it show up in their dashboard. So if you want to teach students how to do this, click on courses, and sometimes this list can be really long. So you might not see this where it says all courses, but it is there. So scroll down to the bottom of this particular little page and click on all courses. And as you can see, I only have a few courses which are starred, and it says click to remove from the courses menu. If I click that, it's automatically gone, and if I click it again, it will add the course. So if students are having trouble finding their course, bring them here to courses and let them know that if they want to see a course on their dashboard, they need to star that course. And we recommend to keep the dashboard clean. Since all your courses can be found on all courses, your dashboard should really only show courses that you need direct access to. So we've talked about all these different elements in this tutorial. Follow all the steps, and if you find that you run into any roadblocks, please do not hesitate to email me.